In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text color in Notion. Changing text color in Notion is a simple way to make your pages easier to read and more visually organized. You can use color to highlight important notes, separate different sections, or just give your workspace a cleaner and more personalized look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it. Depending on whether you want to change the color of an entire text block or just a specific portion of text, let's start with changing the color of a full text block. Move your cursor over the left side of the text block you want to edit. When you hover there, you'll see 6 dots appear. These dots open the Block Options menu. Click on those 6 dots and a pop-out menu will appear with several settings for that block. From that menu, select Color. Once you do, you'll see a list of text colors and background highlight options. Click the color you want and the block will update right away. This method is especially useful when you want the entire line or paragraph to have a consistent style. It's great for headings, callouts, reminders, or any content you want to stand out at a glance. Now let's look at the second method, which is ideal when you only want to color part of a sentence or a few specific words. First, highlight the text you want to change. As soon as the text is selected, a formatting toolbar will pop up near it. On that toolbar, click the A icon. This opens the color options for the selected text from the drop-down menu. Choose the color you want to apply. Notion will immediately update just that selected text or apply a background highlight, if that's the option you choose. This approach works well when you want to emphasize keywords without affecting the rest of the paragraph. It helps keep your notes clear while drawing attention to the most important details. As a quick tip, try to use color consistently so your pages stay organized instead of becoming distracting. For example, you might use one color for action items and another for important definitions, and that's all there is to it. With these 2 methods, you can customize text color in Notion quickly and easily, whether you are styling an entire block or only a few words.